Hey guys. Oh, it's Amy with Lily Bean Designs. I am going live, just totally impromptu. I have not sent out a text. I apologize to y'all because normally I do send out a text, but I did not send out a text tonight. I'm not using StreamYard. I'm just going live willy-nilly tonight to talk with y'all about the fact that tonight is our last night to sign up for Club Create a Kit for 2023. So if you have not signed up yet and you want to sign up, please, please, please go sign up right now because we are closing the doors at midnight and I don't want you guys to miss out. Okay, so if you are just joining me, please comment and say hello. I see my friend Michelle is secretly watching. She hasn't said hello yet. You better say hello to me, girl. So it's been a long day. We have had so much fun here today. We had friends over and we watched the Saints game and we did a big shrimp boil and it's just been crazy. So y'all excuse my pool hair, don't care. And just, I'm totally cash tonight. So I just wanted to let y'all know, hey Michelle, that tonight is the last night to sign up. So if you have been waiting and you're on the fence, I've done previous videos earlier this week just talking all about it. Kara has also gone live on my page as well as her page, Kinsley's Creative Palette. And we have just talked in length about everything that the club membership includes. You can sign up monthly or you can sign up for the year. If you sign up for the year, then you get 1 month free. So that is a great deal if you are interested in getting a subscription box every single month. If you don't know what Club Create a Kit is, I encourage you to go back and watch the previous videos from this week on my page, Lily Bean Designs or Kinsley's Creative Palette, and just get all of the details on what our group includes. But I will quickly just show y'all once again the project for this month as well as the bonus project that you get if you join by midnight tonight. So we are doing, for the month of September, we are doing a Halloween treat bag, treat box is what I should call it. So this is our little Halloween treat box, and this is a magnet on the front because this box has interchangeable pieces. Not all the boxes do, but just this is just something kind of different that we did this month. It is 3D. I haven't painted the sides, so don't look at my sides. But yeah, and you can use this box, put little treats in here, candy, just cute little goodies for Halloween. It's probably backwards on your screen, but this says Sweet Treats. And this one comes with 3 interchangeable pieces, and I'm using magnets, but you can use Velcro as well. This is the little witch hat with the spider, so cute. And this is the little cupcake with the little, I'm saying little, y'all know I say little and cute way too much. The candy and the spider, I'm gonna try not to say those words, and the candies. This little, I said it again, this set of 3 candies. So that's another one of the interchangeable pieces that you can put on here. And then we have the bonus Christmas box, which is the same little bag. All right, we're gonna play a game. What do you get for every time Amy says little? I'm so sorry, y'all, I'm tired. This is the Christmas version. So same kit, you have your treat bag, treat box, whatever you want to call it, and this is a wreath that you can put on the front. We also have a hot cocoa mug, and we also have this adorable gingerbread man. So those are the pieces that go on the Christmas box, okay? And if you're not familiar with Club Create a Kit, we are a digital subscription where if you have a laser or a Glowforge, just any machine that will cut out these wood projects, our group enables you to market a subscription box to your customers. So if you're trying to get a jump start on your business, if you bought a laser and you're kind of lost and you're just looking for a way to make some money and pay your laser off, looking for a little extra side hustle during the holidays, a box subscription kit is a great way to really amp up your game for fourth quarter. And what we provide you with is the file every month, the supply list that tells you where to buy all the products. So we do, our kits are done, where did I put the box? Our kits are done in 9-inch pizza boxes. So we have our little pizza box, and we provide you with all the graphics. So printable stickers. There's a sticker on the front of this box that tells you what the box is. There's also a sticker that goes on the front, as well as your instruction sheet on the inside. So we give you all of these graphics, and you can print them out on paper or sticker paper, and you can decorate your box so that you can get them all ready for your customers. So we give you the file, you can cut your project out, you can package it up. I typically put it in all the pieces in a one of these cello bags and put it in the kit with a little bit of shredded paper. And then I add a couple of paintbrushes, I add my little paint pots that have all the colors in it for the month that we're using, and then a container of the adhesive that you're going to be using to put the project together. So if you are wanting to offer this to your customers and you just have kind of realized what a daunting task it is every month to come up with the project, come up with the graphics, find your supplies, figure out where to get everything, all of that, then this is what we do for you. We put it all together. We make it super easy. You're able to just click and go, cut your project out, pack your boxes up, and go. We also provide you with, you get to be in our private Facebook group for the membership, and then we do business trainings in the group. So this is a business-oriented group, and we offer some trainings. We have videos in the group that even though you were not a member in past months, you will have access to all the past months' videos. So just a brief going over what some of the trainings that are available to you in the group that we've done so far have been using Canva to edit the graphics that we give you, as well as creating your own graphics. So the way that we provide you with the graphics is through a website called Canva. You don't need the paid membership on Canva to be able to utilize the graphics. You can do the free membership, but if you want to edit the graphics and be able to personalize them and change them. So say you want to put your logo on them, you want to just change the colors, change the font, whatever you want to do, you're able to do that with the editable links that we send you. So one of the tutorials is how to get on Canva and to do all of that. We also go over, so say you are trying to set up a subscription for your customers, sell the boxes every month, but you don't have a website, you don't have an Etsy shop. So we have given you a training on how to create a link through PayPal, as well as a link through Stripe. And Stripe is the site that manages credit card payments. So you can accept credit card payments. It's very, it's highly recommended to not just put all your eggs in one basket and do PayPal, because there are people who have gotten burned on PayPal. They don't like PayPal for whatever reason. They maybe got their PayPal hacked and they want to pay with a credit card. So you always want to offer them two options for payment. So we teach you how to set up a link on those two platforms so that you can accept payments, because if you don't get paid, then you can't sell your boxes, right? So we teach you how to do that. We have also gone over shipping your boxes. So Kara did a tutorial on ShipStation, which is one of the websites. I use Pirate Ship. She uses ShipStation. So she did a tutorial on how to use ShipStation to pack your boxes. We've gone over how, like, what is the price point for shipping, what to market your boxes, like what price point, as well as do I want to offer free shipping? Do I not want to offer free shipping? All of that. Which, by the way, when I say graphics, I'm not just talking about printable stickers here. We also give you social media posts so that when you want to advertise your boxes, we have, each month you get 4 posts, like 4, graphics that are set up to accommodate Facebook and Instagram. And they have photos of the project. They have a little, fun little graphics and things that just showcase the product, showcase the box, explain what it is. And you can throw those posts out on social media. So you don't even have to create that yourself. Like all of that is done for you. So we give you those social media posts, and I did a training on Creator Studio. So Creator Studio is on the Meta Facebook platform. If you have a Facebook business page, and if you don't, highly recommend that you start a Facebook business page. It's super, super simple. It's kind of mindless. Facebook just walks you right through it. It's very easy to set up. But Creator Studio is a tool it's a free tool that Facebook provides us with. And I say Facebook, but I know now it's Meta, where you can schedule your social media posts. So you don't have to be a slave to social media. You can schedule your posts ahead of time. You can hop on there and set up all your posts for the week, or all your posts for the weekend, or the next couple of days, or whatever, and just have everything ready so that it automatically posts for you. And it will even post to your Instagram as well as Facebook groups. So if you have your own Facebook group, like say you started a group that you ask your customers, hey, I have this group that you can join. You can post it to those groups. Just you have to make sure that you have permission to post something markety in a group. So like if it's not your group, if you don't own it, just make sure that they're okay with you posting the social media posts. Thank you for the stars, guys. You guys are so sweet. So we have that training as well. We've also gone over ScentShare, and ScentShare is a not a marketing tool. It's a social media tool website that you can go to schedule your social media posts as well. So if you don't use Creator Studio, you can use ScentShare, and ScentShare has a few more perks to it because it allows you to repeat posts. It has like a few more features than just Facebook alone has, but it also has some of its own graphics that you can use to, like in between the ones we give you, you're going to want to post, other things on your business page, like some engagement graphics, memes, things like that, where, you can just get people commenting, get people engaged, get people following your page. So ScentShare offers a lot of those pre-made little like memes and things that you can post to your business pages. So we give you a tutorial on using that. We also talk about Lightburn. If you have, Glowforge people don't typically use Lightburn. Lightburn is more for the bigger lasers, the Thunder, the Aeon, I think the Omtech. I always say that one wrong. But anyway, Lightburn is typically what those laser owners use to design their design their projects, but also to edit their projects. So we talk about changing your font in Lightburn, like downloading it, installing it, and then going in there and like say you want to use a file that you've downloaded. It could be the file that we give you in Club Create-A-Kit. It could be just a file you bought off the internet or off of Etsy or whatever. And we show you how to change the font in there to just kind of personalize it and make it a little bit different, because some people aren't sure how to do that. So we go over that. Kara has done a training on setting up your domain, QR code, and Smart Bio. So if you are trying to set up your own website and you want your domain name to be a certain thing, if you want a QR code, which most people know what that is now, but if you don't, it's the little code that you scan, like when you go to a restaurant to look at the menu, that's a QR code, and you can create one of those for your business. So that can be handy for multiple reasons. So we go over that. There's lots of things we go over in addition to these, but I'm just kind of highlighting some of them. So if you're looking for a business-based group, if you're a laser owner and you just need some business tips and tricks, if you want some trainings, maybe you don't even do the boxes, but you just kind of want to hop in here and see what the trainings are all about and learn a little bit about the business side of owning a laser business. Our trainings are excellent for that. There's just a ton of stuff in the group that you will have access to when you join that is super helpful if you are trying to get your business rolling. So we go over your setting up an Etsy listing, your keywords, your phrases, your tags, all of that. starting a new Etsy shop, email marketing. Email marketing is huge. Kara is the queen of email marketing, and she goes over doing that for your business. Okay, cool. I thought it cut me off on a Sunday night. So aggravating, right? I'm not going to be on here much longer, so I won't bother to cut that off. But anyway, so we go over email marketing. I didn't know a lot about email marketing until Kara helped me, and what she did for my business with email marketing has been a game changer. She is amazing. She knows a ton of stuff about it. It's a super awesome tool for growing your business. So we have a training on that. What else do we have trainings on? I don't have, yeah, that is the list that I have in front of me, but we have lots and lots of useful information in there. So that is available to you as well. The cost of the group is $20 a month, or like I said, if you join for the year, you get 1 month free. You can leave at any time. We don't think you will, because we think you're going to love it. And everyone just in the group is so friendly and so helpful. We all have lasers. We all are, trying to get our side hustle on and trying to get our businesses rolling, and everybody is, sharing tips and tricks. And sometimes if someone asks a question in the group, someone, one of the other members will comment before I even have a chance to jump in there, and they'll have some tricks that they've used and helpful information. And just, there's no judgment, there's no, drama in the group. We have just such a nice community of laser owners, and we just have a good time. So if you're interested, the link is in the video description. It's clubcreatikit.com. We do close the doors at midnight tonight, so please don't wait, because I really, really hate those messages the day after where people say, oh, I missed it, I didn't get in, blah, blah, blah. So please, please, please don't miss out on joining today, and we hope to see you in there. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.